Hello everyone. Welcome to the listening channel of Peak English. Today's story is called English at the Hotel. By watching this video, you will learn many useful phrases for traveling. You will learn how to check in at a hotel. You will also learn how to order food. And you will learn how to check out. In this episode, our friends Alex and Amelia arrive at their hotel. They are very tired after a long flight. Do not worry. The conversation will be very slow. The pronunciation will be very clear. Now it is time for your listening challenge. Please listen carefully and answer these two questions. Number 1. What is their room number? Number 2. What does Alex order for dinner? Keep these questions in your mind. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Wow, this hotel looks so nice.
Yes, it does. The lobby is huge.
It is bigger than I expected.
The lights are beautiful, too.
I love the smell here.
Me too. It is so clean and fresh.
Definitely. Let's check in.
The front desk is over there.
Let's go. Good afternoon.
Welcome to Sunny Hill Hotel. How can I help you?
Hi. We have a reservation?
What name is it under?
It is under the name Alex Harrison.
Let me check. Ah, yes. Mr. Harrison. 2 nights. 1 double room. Is that correct?
Yes, that is right.
May I see your passport, please?
Sure. Here you are.
Thank you. And Miss Amelia, will you need a key card as well?
Yes, please. That would be great.
All right. Your room is number 608. It is on the 6th floor.
Room 608.
Checkout time is 11 a.m.
11 a.m.
Breakfast is from 7 to 10. It is on the 2nd floor.
Got it. Thank you very much.
You are welcome. Here are your key cards. The elevator is on your left. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you.
Staff are so nice here.
Yeah, very polite. I like that.
I am so tired from the flight, though. I cannot wait to lie down.
Me too. Let's go up and rest a bit before dinner.
6th floor, room 608.
That is easy to remember.
I hope the view is good from our room.
I think so. This hotel is pretty tall.
I just hope the bed is comfortable. My back hurts from the plane seat.
Same here. Airplane seats are always too small.
Here we are. 6th floor.
Let's see. Room 608 should be this way.
Wow, it is so quiet here.
Yeah, I like that. The carpet makes it silent.
Okay, here is 608. Let's go in.
Oh, wow. This room is amazing.
Yeah, it is bigger than I thought. Look at that view.
The city lights look beautiful from here.
And the bed looks really comfortable.
So, what do you want to do now?
Maybe take a shower first. I feel a bit sticky from traveling.
Good idea. Go ahead. I will just lie down for a bit.
Do not fall asleep.
Okay, I will try, but no promises. This bed is perfect. So soft.
A few minutes later.
Your turn. The shower feels amazing.
All right, I will go now.
Let's see what is on TV. Ooh, they have English channels.
Nice. Maybe we can watch a movie later.
Yeah, or maybe order room service and watch something.
That sounds great.
Amelia finishes her shower.
That was refreshing. I feel like a new person.
You look more awake now.
I was half asleep before.
So, should we rest a little and then go out for dinner?
Yeah, but not too far. I am still tired.
Same. Maybe the hotel restaurant?
Perfect. I saw the menu near the lobby. It looked good.
All right, dinner plan decided. Let's relax a bit before we go.
Oh, the city looks even prettier at sunset.
Yeah, I love that orange light on the buildings.
It feels peaceful here.
It does. I am really glad we chose this place.
Me too.
At the hotel restaurant. Good evening. Do you have a reservation?
No, not yet. Is there a table for two?
Of course. Right this way, please.
Wow, it is so pretty here. Look at the lights outside.
Yeah, it has a great view. Perfect spot.
What should I get? Everything looks delicious.
I know, right? I cannot decide either.
Oh, they have pasta and steak.
I think I will get the grilled chicken. It looks good.
Nice choice. I might try the pasta with shrimp.
Good evening. Are you ready to order?
Yes, we will have the grilled chicken and the shrimp pasta, please.
Great. Would you like anything to drink?
Just water for both of us, please.
Sure, no problem.
It feels so nice to just sit down and relax.
Yeah, after that long trip, I feel like I could eat everything on the menu.
Same. And the music here is perfect. Not too loud, not too quiet.
It is like they want people to actually talk.
Exactly. Some restaurants are so noisy. You cannot hear anything.
The food arrives. Here you go. 1 grilled chicken and 1 shrimp pasta. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. This chicken is really good. So juicy.
The pasta is perfect too. The sauce is so creamy.
I love hotel food. It is always a little fancy.
Yeah, even simple dishes feel special here.
So, what do you want to do tomorrow?
Maybe go sightseeing? There is a park nearby, right?
Yeah, and a shopping street too.
Perfect. We can take it easy in the morning, then go out after breakfast.
Sounds like a plan.
After eating.
I am so full. I cannot eat dessert.
I could, but I shouldn't. Let's just get coffee.
Good idea. This is really relaxing. I needed this.
Same here. Just good food, quiet place. No rush.
Vacation mode on.
Absolutely.
Back in the room.
That dinner was perfect.
Yeah, I am so sleepy now.
Me too. I think I will change into my pajamas.
Good idea. I will make some tea.
Oh, it smells nice. What kind is it?
Green tea. They had a few packets near the coffee maker.
Perfect for the night. The city lights are still so bright.
Yeah, it is beautiful. It feels peaceful.
I could watch this view all night.
Same. But if we do, we will oversleep tomorrow.
True. I will just look a little longer. Do you travel often?
Not really. Maybe once a year. What about you?
A few times. Mostly for work, though.
Work trips are never relaxing.
Exactly. That is why this one feels special.
Yeah. I am really glad we came.
Okay, time for bed.
Yeah, good night, Alex.
Good night, Amelia. Sweet dreams.
The next morning.
Morning already. That was a great sleep.
Yeah, I do not remember falling asleep. The bed was amazing.
Same. Oh, and breakfast time. I am starving. Let's get ready and go downstairs.
At the breakfast buffet.
Wow, look at all that food. There are eggs, toast, fruit, everything.
And pancakes, too. I love pancakes.
Me too. Let's get some. This orange juice is so fresh.
Yeah, it tastes real. Not from a carton.
I think I could stay here forever. Just for the breakfast.
Yeah, but we have to check out soon.
Do not remind me.
So, after checkout, maybe we can leave our bags here for a few hours?
Yeah, the front desk can keep them. Then we can walk around before heading to the station.
Perfect. I want to visit that souvenir shop, the one we passed yesterday.
Sure. Maybe grab coffee after that?
Always. You know me.
Yes, I do.
At the front desk. Good morning. Are you checking out?
Yes, room 608.
All right. Did you enjoy your stay?
Yes. Everything was wonderful.
I am glad to hear that. Here is your receipt. Would you like to leave your luggage for a while?
Yes, please. We will come back this afternoon.
No problem. We will keep it safe for you.
Thank you so much.
You are very welcome. Enjoy your day. Walking outside.
I am a little sad to leave.
Me too. It felt so comfortable here.
Yeah, but we can always come back next time.
Definitely. Next time, maybe we will stay longer.
Good idea. 3 nights at least.
Deal.
So, Where to first?
Coffee, obviously.
You know me too well. Let's go.
How was it? I hope you enjoyed this hotel story, and I hope you learned many useful English expressions for travel. Next time you stay at a hotel, try using some of the phrases you heard today. Now, do you remember our listening challenge? Question 1. What is their room number? Question 2. What does Alex order for dinner? Please write your answers in the comments below. Writing even one simple sentence in English is a great way to improve your skills. We will keep making more slow and clear English conversations like this. This way you can listen, shadow, and improve your English every day. If you liked this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the Peak English channel for more. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.